Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I'm Namrata and I'm conducting interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Mr. Satish Manohar, the founder and CEO of Sales Job India. With a vision to reduce unemployment in the country, Sales Job India helps companies recruit sales professionals who are experts in their field. To know more about his business, let's get into the video. Hello, sir. Good evening. Thank you for joining today. I'm Namrata. And if you could please kindly introduce yourself to the audience.
Yes. Um, Good evening, all. I'm Satish Manohar, the founder of V4HR Solution. Today, I'm here to introduce my product, salesjobsindia.com.
So, how did you come up with this idea?
Yes. So, any organization, I felt sales and marketing professionals are the key role players of the success of the organization. So, coming up with their job site, helping my clients to hire the best sales and marketing professionals, it will really boost up their business, and I will also get a continuous business. With that objective, only we started this.
Okay. So, if you could tell us some of the difficulties you faced during the early days of the company.
Yes. So early days, one difficulty I faced is building my team. Connecting the wavelength of what I am thinking, and my teammates also getting the wavelength was the much difficult part I felt. And along with that, as usual, like all the startups will face financial crunch, and having the very good infrastructure, and coming as a technical company, product company, so having a very good internal IT team was also a challenge, facing challenges actually.
So, could you identify any particular market gap that Sales Job India had to fill?
Yes, one particular gap we are targeting is hiring the best verified, qualified, trained sales staff for your company. I felt, including my startup company, I felt many times I don't have a right sales and marketing team. So with this, what I understood, there is a gap in all the industries. So having worked for more than 300 clients, I never heard from any client saying that we do have a very good sales team. So launching a job site which really going to fill their gap. It's like a bridging a gap of hiring a right sales person. Yeah.
Okay, so can you please explain us a bit your business model a bit?
Yes, our business model, coming to job site, it's a very standard job site. Uh, Companies who are looking to hire a sales and marketing professional, they can log into our job site, register as a company, and they can post their requirements. It can be for any position. It can be anything related to sales position, marketing position, even including digital marketing position. From senior level to junior level, any level, we are ready to get you the right professionals. So our market model starts with job posting, and what other job site will not provide you the service, we are here to provide you. We are here to do the recruitment also for you. We do the screening part, sourcing part, entry scheduling part. uh, Companies need to just hire them, the only task they left with them.
Okay. Okay. So, since starting out, did your friends or family invest in the startup, or could you find any investors?
Yes. So obviously, friends and family, always there is they were the moral support of whatever I am here now, whatever the products I have launched in the market. Yeah, coming to the financially, whatever they could do, they could do. They don't know the importance. They don't know the real requirement, financial requirement our product. It is not that easy to make them to understand as well. So far, we have got couple of angel investors, and still our company is looking for funding.
Okay. Okay. So, also during the pandemic time, many people lost their jobs. We all know that. But then, according to you, what are the factors that will affect your business in the coming years?
Yes, I strongly believe, even though if it is a lockdown time, companies cannot stop their promotions. Like they may not stop their hiring. What I'm trying to say. So even though in the lockdown period we were busy, we were occupied because companies started hiring the digital marketing executives, digital marketing professionals, inside sales professionals. So companies they try to adapt to the situations, so which was useful for us as well. We were also made few changes which help the client to hire the best people in their particular requirements. The impact what I'm going to face in further is the advanced technologies, what client might expect, or quick turnover in time, 1 hour hiring, 2 hour hiring. These all the new terms I'm getting. And one more impact what we may get affected is temporary staffing. So coming to the sales jobs, we cannot completely hire the people only for the time being. So we need to give them the time to understand the product and services so that they can deliver the best. So maybe these are the impacts I feel so.
Okay. So like you said, you help companies hire their sales executives and sales people. So are you looking to hire any fresh candidates for your company?
Yes, of course. Fresh bloods always mandatory for any company. So their thought process, it will create a gap between the freshers, juniors, and the seniors, the experienced and the freshers. So that is always mandatory. So yes.
So what are the qualities you consider while hiring for your company?
Yeah, first quality I consider the learning habit. Whatever it is, they should be ready to learn first before earn. So they can learn first, then earn later. That kind of quality, the important one, the attitude, the positive attitude, because every organization is facing ups and downs now with the current situation. So even we need a support from freshers. Like completely they should not be biased, they should be completely good contributor. What I feel, more than an employee, I don't hire an employee, I would like to hire a contributor to my team.
Great, sir. So what according to are the personality traits of a good leader?
Yes. Empathy. So integrity, and majorly being in a human resource service, I feel generosity is also important, and more than everything, self-confidence is a much important trait, I think.
Great, sir. So since you are the CEO of your company, what according to you are the good and bad parts of being the CEO?
Okay. So good about the CEO, I know it is going to be challenging position in my organization. I know very well. With that complete confidence only, I took this challenge. I am enjoying it. I am enjoying my CEO position. I am enjoying my entrepreneurship journey so far. And coming to the worst part, like we can say decision making. So so sometimes being a startup, we might we might forced to take some decision which would have gone wrong. uh, that decisions I would have corrected. Only few things worst about being in the CEO position, decision making, I feel so.
Okay. So during this pandemic or before that, did you had to make any tough decisions like budget cuts, organizational restructuring, any such thing?
Yes, yes. So pandemic situations, few tough things were whether to hire the new team members or not. That was the toughest part. And um, next, uh, decision making. Yes, not much actually. So still, I'm in the learning stage. hiring
Okay.
hiring was on my side. Yeah.
So are you looking for any vendors to simplify any part of your business?
Yes. So I would like to get collaborate and associate with vendors who are into training service providers. So as we are into recruitment, we need to collaborate with trainers so that we can provide the trained professionals to our clients.
Okay. Okay. And if you could tell me something about your short-term and long-term goals for the company.
Yes, the short-term goal is we have a goal of reaching out to 10,000 clients for Sales Jobs India. So that is our short-term goal. And long-term goal, of course, Sales Jobs to make Sales Jobs India to be top-ranked sales job site.
Right, sir. Also, lastly, would you like to say something or comment about Startup Lanes to our viewers?
Yes. So I strongly recommend startup lines to all the startup companies because startup lines make you to learn the professionalism. Startup lines support you financial to meet the financial investors. Startup line gives you the confidence of whatever the idea concept you are coming up with, and there are experienced professional mentors in the startup link group. So anytime we are uh, you know they are ready to give their slots for the discussion. We are they are reachable. That is the one best part in startup lanes, and they are very good at their service and very good at what they are doing, which is much needed to the society because startups are the future of the country. So they create the employment opportunity, they create the new business opportunity. So startup lanes is through startup lanes, yeah, it's fantastic. They are doing fantastic job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining today and sharing your views. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you, Namrata. Thanks for your time and fantastic interview.
Thank you.